Boeing is planning to increase the production rate of its 787 Dreamliner aircraft, a move that has been eagerly anticipated by the aviation industry. They aim to reach 5 jets per month by the end of 2024, a target that reflects their confidence in overcoming past challenges. This ambitious goal signals a recovery for the program after facing numerous setbacks, including production delays and quality control issues. The 787 Dreamliner is a technologically advanced aircraft known for its fuel efficiency and passenger comfort, making it a favorite among airlines and passengers alike. Increasing the production rate to 5 jets per month is a significant step towards meeting the growing demand for this aircraft type, which has seen a resurgence in orders. Boeing's ability to reach this target will be closely watched by airlines and industry analysts alike, as it will impact delivery schedules and fleet planning for many carriers. Supply chain disruptions have been a major factor affecting the production rate of the 787 Dreamliner. The aerospace industry relies on a complex global network of suppliers. Recent disruptions, such as the COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical instability, have led to delays and shortages. These issues have impacted Boeing's ability to obtain the necessary components and materials on time. As a result, the production rate of the 787 has been significantly reduced. Boeing is actively working with its suppliers to mitigate these challenges and stabilize the supply chain. The upcoming Farnborough Air Show holds great significance for Boeing. This prestigious event brings together key players in the aerospace industry, including airlines, manufacturers, and suppliers. Boeing will have the opportunity to showcase its latest products and technologies, including the 787 Dreamliner. The air show also provides a platform for Boeing to engage with customers and rebuild confidence in its production capabilities. Announcements and orders placed at Farnborough often set the tone for the industry in the coming months. Boeing's performance at the air show will be closely scrutinized. Section 4. Enhancing feedback and production quality. Boeing is committed to enhancing feedback mechanisms and improving production quality for both the 787 and 737 MAX aircraft. This commitment is part of a broader strategy to ensure that every aircraft that leaves the assembly line meets the highest standards of excellence. The company has implemented rigorous quality control measures throughout the manufacturing process. These measures include multiple layers of inspection and testing to catch any potential issues before they become problems. Boeing is also working closely with its suppliers to ensure that all components meet the highest standards. This collaboration involves regular audits and feedback sessions to maintain quality and consistency. Furthermore, the company is actively seeking feedback from airlines and pilots to identify and address any potential issues. This feedback loop is essential for continuous improvement and helps Boeing adapt to the evolving needs of its customers. These efforts are crucial for restoring confidence in Boeing's products and ensuring the safety and reliability of its aircraft. By focusing on quality and feedback, Boeing aims to build stronger relationships with its customers and stakeholders, ultimately leading to better and safer aircraft. Section 5. Overcoming certification and testing delays. Certification flight testing is a critical step in the aircraft manufacturing process. The 787 program has faced some delays in this area. These delays can be attributed to various factors, including the complexity of the aircraft's systems and the stringent safety regulations. Boeing is working diligently with regulatory authorities to complete all necessary testing and obtain the required certifications. Overcoming these delays is essential for Boeing to ramp up production and deliver aircraft to customers on schedule. Section 6. Future production goals and industry impact. Boeing has ambitious production goals for the 787 Dreamliner in the coming years, aiming to revolutionize the aviation industry with its innovative approach. The company aims to gradually increase the production rate to meet the growing demand for this aircraft type, ensuring that they can deliver on their promises to customers worldwide. Achieving these goals will depend on several factors, including the stability of the supply chain, the availability of critical components, and the successful completion of rigorous certification testing. The increased production of the 787 Dreamliner will have a significant impact on the aerospace industry, influencing market dynamics and competitive strategies. It will create jobs, stimulate economic growth, and provide airlines with more fuel-efficient aircraft, contributing to a more sustainable future for air travel.